Alright, boys and girls, this week we are going to be doing Moby Max, and I just wanted to run you through how to do that. So you're going to go to mobymax.com, and then you're going to click on the sign in top right hand corner. You want to make sure that you are logging in as a student. Your school code goes right here. TX1912 is your school code. Press on the go button. And now we're going to log in as a student. If you look in the middle of your screen, it says Crossroads Elementary right here. So make sure you're at Crossroads Elementary so you're at the right school. So your username and password is going to be the same. Click on sign in. You want to click on the books. And this week we are going to be focusing on fact fluency. You can click on fact fluency and then you can start your 6-minute session. You need to do that every single day. Click on the home button and you can go back to the main screen. Click on the books. And I want you to click on math to do a placement test. And that takes about 45 minutes, so I've given you 2 days to do that. You want to start it on Monday and finish it up on Tuesday. And once you finish your placement test, Moby Max will give you lessons that are geared towards helping you build your skills at your own level and at your own pace. You can also go to the balloons and you can go to games. And if you have earned game time, you can play all kinds of games. And don't forget, we have our message boards. You can message me, send me a message. I'll be glad to get a message and respond back to you. And then your announcements and tasks. I've made a new chat box. It says, "Hi friends, I sure miss you guys," and you can start chatting in there. Or you can start chatting where we started it back in February. So I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on what you're supposed to be doing this week as far as Moby Max is concerned for math. For reading, this week you're going to be focusing on reading skills informational. It's going to be the blue books right here. Click on the blue books right here. Then you will be given different stories to read. So here's a story, little paragraph that you could read and some questions you're going to answer. I do want you to take notice that there are options for the computer to read it to you right here. If you click on those little icons, that will indicate that the computer will read it to you. Alright, well that's all for this week. If you need anything, have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask via Remind or send us a message on email, or you can always email or send me a message through Moby Max Messenger. Alright, thanks.